Hi everyone, my name is Alenka. I'm a customer success manager at Cloud Concept. And today I would like to show you a simple but powerful feature in Monday.com that can save you tons of time. It's called Group By. Now you may already be familiar with filters. Filters help you narrow down items on a board using specific conditions like status, owner, or a date. Group By goes one step further. It instantly reorganizes your board to group items based on what matters most to you, like a status, priority, location, or an owner. And the key thing? It doesn't change the board structure, it just changes how you view it. Here's a real example for construction projects in Dubai. Tasks are grouped into stages, planning, in progress, and done, and span across different phases like design, electrical, and plumbing work with teams from multiple companies. Now, let's say that it's your morning stand-up and you want to see tasks grouped by location like Business Bay or Dubai Marina. With just one click, select the location, and there you go. All your tasks are now grouped by location. Now let's group by phase. With just one click, all the tasks are now grouped by the phase. We can also group by timeline or by the owner. By the way, in order for owner to work correctly, make sure that you select to allow only one person in this column. So there you go. In just a few clicks, we viewed the same board from completely different perspectives, by location, phase, timeline, or an owner. And remember, none of this changed the actual board structure. However, if you do like particular grouping, you can save it as a board view. Simply click and select Save as New View, and you can return to this view with just one click.